That's on the double within Holland. Mr. Briol, ball position goes on team. SKF is out of number 27, cross pass side. Pakay, fires on the outside, not good. As Mr. Limados on rebound by Santa Rosa. Santa Rosa from the downtown, not good. Follows up by Metra. And that's the first 2 point by SG Metra. There's almost a ball taken. Antonio lost the ball. There's another play, double pay. Sa gilid, pakayan again. 3-on-4 rebound to Mr. Hop. There's now on Hop. Madalos ay, sige lang, kaya na. Kaya pa yan. Metra on the center position for 2 in the score of 4-0, 4.3 in favor of Team Unicea. And that's brought to you by Robas, Tindog Pangmatugnaw. And on the outside, long 2, Mr. Briol. Kinimile. Hinay-hinay lang. Pagkaya tulinan, bakbaki, kagkabugasi. Metra fires, airball, Uka, baseball pass. Antonio, extra step, reverse layup, too strong. Battle for Raymond, Briol follows up, basket is good. Yung policy, double P. Sige lang, kaya pag natawagan ka, triple P. Metra, for rebound, uses his body, and a put back is not good. It's a 2-strong attack. There's on Briol, for rebound now, taking the ball. Briol, signaling play, is looking for his 7 with a time of 6 minutes and 20. Okap, has paid double play, and there's a whistle. Lapanak kay Madamok, foul number 22. Good Solta. There's the first personal foul, and second team foul. There's a first foul by Mr. Double P. Wala, kaya na kay Patanon Paman. There's on the outside, Pakay. Inside pass, Briol, scrabble, turnover tayo. Deadlock 4 score, deadlock 4, all 4. Iguales. Iguales 4. Suara lagi. Kamagin ng buhay, so basta papilul mas. Okay, it's not good, remounting by Ukap. Christian Okap drives to Kinimile. Briol for the lead. And now change favor 6-4 in favor of Team SKIB combined with the SBIC. Okay, stepping. Substitution masarap. Sino? Double P pumps out. Konsulta. Aritos. Tangalan Aritos. Menerep. 6-4 na, 4 pala ng Unicea. Okay na. So Antonio, inside pass Briol, alley play at the under, there's a whistle foul, basket count, foul committed by number 11 Metra. Pushing foul, whereabouts throw on number 11 Briol. Jumpers, get ready. Yes, now. All set, Mr. Red. For the first row. It's a triple play. The score is 9-4. 4 minutes 40 at the first quarter. Santa Rosa at the under. Baring. That's not good. Antonio. Cross pass Briol. Losing the ball. Pass by Santa Rosa. To Antonio, shot block 10, 9, Briol. It's a block. Rebound taken, Metra. Yes, Metra takes the ball, drives, kick out pass to Brandon. It's a block. Okap now taking the ball, that's the ball. Okap, outside, delivers nothing. Yes, about the 4 rebounds, scramble the ball. Agaw ang bola, laya ang nakuha. Santa Rosa to Bohol. Attempt not good. Rebound taken, Bohol pa rin. Bohol. Biyahin si Mo. Santa Rosa on the outside, not good. Yes, scramble ball, battle for rebound taken by Antonio. Yes, now. And there's a whistle, there's a foul committed wearing jersey number 5. Bohol is an illegal use of hand. And the same ball. 3 minutes and 40 of the game clock. And a third team foul on the Unicia. Siguro Unicia ta, or kamusin ang double P. On the outside, bang, 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 3 points, Antonio. He score of 12-4. 12-4. Santa Rosa, what a spin, what a moves, what a tops. Pakay to Antonio. Kambal ngayon, harap na mapasahan. Back to Olivato, Ape from the outside, 3 points. Pakay. Libantugan. Naman na ipapatira dyan naman si Pakay. Metra. Nangalabaw sa ilalim. Rebound taken by Mr. Briol. Here comes now Kilimal Briol. The defending winner of 1v1 and 2v2. Libanto from the outside. Not good. Rebound by Metra. Paso Santa Rosa. Laser up. Not good. Oka for the rebound. Haras by Metra. Okay, Metra lost the ball. Lost the ball. Coach, timeout charge to team Unicia. With time remaining of 2 minutes and 37 of the first quarter. And the score is 15-4, 11-point lead in favor of team Santa Rosa. To Metra. As a face time, not good. Doc Aganan. As a good ball. As scramble ball. Put back. Goes it out. As now Metra follows it up for 2. Pakay, Toki ni Mike, Kinkin sa ilalim. Cristiano Cup, panday ngayon, pinanday talaga. Para sa dinakarap, pandayan hangga sila Teo Cup. Santa Rosa, haras by panday sa ilalim. Wave Metra, rebound by Cup. To Antonio, hands up block. Okay, tapan, supalpal. Sila. Yes, so Antonio inbound the ball, looking for an inbound to Doc Aganan to Antonio. Shot clock down to 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Yes, now good ball. Yes, now Metra. Okay, turnover tayo. 1 minute and 47 at the game clock. There's a Cup taking the ball. Cup at the side, what a nice steal, so clean, so good. Pag nasa Sogo, Santa Rosa drives. And there's a whistle. A foul, black foul, winning jersey number 27, Aganan. Yes, on the outside fire, Santa Rosa not good. Rebound by Aganan. To Antonio. Kilimal stopping fire. Place time in and out. Battle forever rebound taken by Metra. Yes, on the traveling violation. Nasobrahan sa pitad. Iba bang ganlay pag naka-sting. Yes, on rebound to Antonio. Antonio cross pass. Panday sa side, wala. Dayaan na, kuha ni Metra. Metra ngayon, may isang bola. Agawang bola. Ukap, Tobriol. Easy basket. 50 segundos. 19 size sa score, 19 size. Lamang 19. Santa Rosa, gandang-ganda. It's a foul basket. Basket count, foul committed winning jersey number 27. Blocking foul, bonus throw. Jumpers get ready. Second personal foul on Aganan. 40 segundos on the first quarter. It's a 40 seconds time remaining. Score 8-19. 11-point lead in favor of team SB, IC and SKIB. Grabe gandang kombinasyon. 35 seconds. Aganan, ang laki. Talaga lang. 30 seconds at the game clock. Yes, so jersey number 27. Santa Rosa drive and recept. Metra sa ball fake and forms a 2. 20 seconds shot, laki so. 18 seconds down to 15. Yes, so Kumbal. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.